The meat grinder is a kitchen appliance used to transform the unrefined into the refined. Meat goes in, meat comes out, and yet something changes. There is an outcome. Once gears are turning, there will always be an outcome. I have a lot of problems in my life, and this is one of them. A corner in my room that doesn't get used for much. I also have this shelf, lonely, suboptimal. So I approach these problems as I approach all of my problems. I made a plan. At the core of this workstation is a bench at which a worker must stay until the job has been done, until there is an outcome, until the unrefined becomes refined. Once gears are turning, they will remain turning. A worker at the bench will stay at the bench. This is achieved through very particular means.